I'm the first engineer, and I work with the chief engineer to manage the engine departments. With the watchkeepers who keep watch down here, we also need specialists, electricians, welders, plumbers, carpenters. As well as operating the main engines at sea, we also provide essential services to the ship. Fresh air, fresh water, heating, cooling, electricity, telephones. With the deck department, we also do drills every week to practice for all kinds of emergencies on board a ship.
Every 24 hours of the day, there is someone on watch in the engine room. We do this by splitting it up into 3 8-hour shifts. There is no prior experience required to becoming a watchkeeper, but once we become one, we have to go through 6 weeks of training. And if we continue the training, we have the opportunity to become a professional motorman.
This is the system that we control the temperature of the water that cools our engines. At the moment it's a bit cold, so I'm just going to adjust it here. That should make it a little bit hotter. On the ship we have about 27 systems that we constantly need to monitor and control. But when we're not doing that, there's a lot of other things that we need to do around the engine and odd jobs that needs to be done.
When we work normal day work, we work from 8 to 5 in the evening and do all various kind of jobs like cleaning, maintenance. We overhaul, for example, cylinder heads and all kinds of jobs. But we also work on the mechanical side of the lifeboats and watertight doors and fire doors.
While in the engine room, we need to be ready for anything. We need to be willing to get dirty, and we should at least like technical things. We need to be willing to learn. We have a huge opportunity to be taught by our engineers who are professional people and passionate about what they do. We need to be willing to take initiative, ask questions, and be responsible. One thing we do is we serve, and we serve the ship's community by working when they're sleeping, which can be a drawback, but overall it's a huge blessing to work in the engine room.
We work quite hard in the engine room. It's physical work, but also very often it's brain work. You need to think and you need to be willing to see a problem. Helping you with that, we have the engineers who are our team leaders. Together with them we do projects like installing new things or just like the watchkeeping. We get a lot of training from them as well, but also we have a lot of fun together, which is then, for example, the Easter egg hunt in the engine room.
Most people who join the engine room start off as watchkeepers. There's a great deal to learn. There's also a lot of responsibility. But for anyone who's interested in technical things, it's a great opportunity. Not only can you use your hands and your understanding, but it's also a place to learn about service in dirty places.